Good morning. Happy Sunday, guys. So today I've got something very interesting topic. I've heard from many people about this topic because most of us want to be very confident in our life, and many of us derive our confidence, unfortunately or fortunately, from the way we feel about ourselves. And the way we feel about ourselves again is related to how do we look and how do we feel by looking at us. And that itself again is derived for most of us by the hair, the kind of hair we have and the kind of styles we use for ourselves to look good and feel good about us. And today I have very wonderful, wonderful topic to share with you, because this is very important for all of us to take care of ourselves. And I'm not alone here to speak, because Sahana is there. She's my friend, and she's one of a very good expert when it comes to health and wellness. And I've got her time today so that she can share her insights about hair fall and to learn her hair fall or hair loss or whatever the journey she has in grooming herself as well. So Sahana, let me invite you. Hey Sahana, good morning. Hope you're having a wonderful Sunday ahead.
Hi, Kiran. Very good morning. Definitely, it's a good start, and I'm sure it's going to be a great one as well. Thank you for inviting me here.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Sahana, for being here in a Sunday morning here. So, Sahana, why don't you introduce yourself to our audience?
Sure. Thank you, Kiran. Once again, it's a great opportunity for me. Thank you for inviting me to the studio. For people who don't know me, this is Sahana, and I'm basically from Bangalore. So I'm a Pakka Bangalorean. And I've been working in the investment banking field for about 7+ years now. And I've recently had a very good journey with my hair, and I found interest in it, and I've started to practice a lot about health and wellness and skin as well. So that's about me. And I really want to add this one thing. Why it's important to have a good hair is because it definitely adds to our look, and it adds a lot to our personality as well. So I really love to share my insights about hair today.
Wonderful. So, just to add Sahana's point, in fact, not only girls, right, even men love to have good hair. And fortunately, I've seen many people, due to heredity, a lot of other things, people lose it and they find tremendous so much of, circus they do so that they can just keep their hair with us. So, why don't you touch upon few importance point, Sahana, for you personally, why do you feel keeping your hair nice is important for you? Let's say, I think that will really answer for others as well.
Definitely. Kiran, that's a very interesting question, because the first thing, especially while we are clicking up pictures, the first thing I personally set is my hair. And then it's all my, to see which smile I get the right one. But I think that's what happens with the majority of people, especially while we are clicking pictures. We ensure that, our hair needs to be looking nice, because our hair is the best jewelry we can wear, and we need to treat it like that as well. So yes, and it definitely adds a lot of confidence and personality while we showcase ourselves. So hair is really, really important.
Absolutely, you talked really very, very important point, Sahana. So let me ask this question, because this is a question which most of us are currently waiting for, is to understand the types of hair fall. There are a lot of types of hair fall, because many people have different kind of hair falls with them, and they are very confused what to do about it. And people spend a lot of money, a lot of effort to cure it, but they don't put some time to find the real cause. So Sahana, why don't you share with us the types of hair fall, as well as share why those kind of types arrive in your life as well.
Rightly said, Kiran. Actually, majority of us don't look at how or what and the types it could be, because there's not just hair fall happening. And why it happens, first thing is because of increased stress right now in the current current pandemic situation. There's a lot of stress around office work. I know office people are taking more time than what it is usual, and along with family, and there's a lot of things happening at one time, and that increases stress, which also leads to hair fall. And also could be lifestyle practices, and could be coloring of hair. And we want to do so many stylings, and we want it to look beautiful, but it could not be exactly like the way we would want it to be. That could be the reasons of why hair fall happens. And the types are, the first thing it could be is breakage of hair fall. So it could be in between the hair, is one of those, because it could be lack of care. We just don't bother oiling, or because it takes a lot of effort. And could be because of water, because water plays a very important role especially while we take bath. If it's a hard water, it definitely affects hair. And we make this huge mistake of pouring hot water, because we want to remove the oiling that we have done, and that hot water actually does not actually support enough, and the scalp would become weak, and it starts breaking also in between. And this next one would be the complete full hair, full length. And this is the reason, because the vitamins, and the most important thing that our body needs is nutrition, which is completely missing in the current lifestyle, is the full length hair, the hair fall that happens. And the next one is the density. We all crave for volume. We all want it to be so thick and so nice. Not just women, even men want it. They don't want their hair to go bald. They want it to look bright, nice, thick. And it's very important, because this gives a lot of look to us. And this happens because of the follicles are dead, so there are hair follicles which are dead. And there's also something called as a keratin vitamin in our keratin protein in our hair, which the lack of which helps in loses in the density. And the last one is hair thinning. Our scalp is good enough to produce 3 to 4 strands of hair, but since lack of care or lack of good nutrition, we tend to end up having one single strand in the scalp, which we all don't want to have. And for me personally, this has helped a lot, because it includes both internal and external care, which I'll be covering in a bit. And these are the types of hair fall, and probably we can give you solution based on what kind of issue is yours, and what is the background of it, is all something that we can consider and give you a solution for.
Absolutely, Sana. I think these 4 points you shared very beautifully, because this is something which many people will relate. Everyone will fall in some bucket of the other. And that is where the first step of good direction to find solution comes into the picture. So, Sana, let us go straight to the point. So tell us few of the solutions, few of the approach a common person who has this kind of types of hair fall to approach and solve the problem. And what was your journey? Because you have solved your hair fall problem and you're helping so many other people as well right now.
Thank you, Kiran, again, because it's touching really core points. What Kiran is talking about is because when we talk about hair, it's an external thing. So we think, okay, me oiling it right, or me using the right shampoo or the right conditioner or the right mask will just solve the problem. In fact, I myself was someone like that, thinking that, okay, if I just do this much, the problem is sorted. I nicely massage my hair and, use the right shampoo, it would be solved. It did solve to an extent, but the ratio was at around 20%, 15 to 20%, where my hair loss was like at almost 80 to 90%. So when I was actually, I came across few people who actually gave me a lot of solutions, and it confused me. But when I found the right solution, it was a lack of proper nutrition and proper diet, because of lifestyle practices that we have right now. And I understood that I was missing on so many things. It could be it could be the right fruits or vegetables that I need to consume in a day, or it could be the timing of food, or when I need to do. And this not only helped in my hair, but also in my regular good practices of my health. And it in turn helped me have a better hair care and also better skin, to be frank. And like I said, the internal care that we take with the proper nutrition helps us actually more than 60 to 65 to 70% to maintain our hair, or to maintain any lifestyle problems that we have. Now, hair fall is like a lifestyle disease, just like what we have for diabetes or anything else. And this actually helped me come out of my problem. And to be frank, I brush my hair with a lot of happiness. I don't have tension. Okay, now my hair is going to fall. And this has personally helped me a lot, taking internal care plus external, and using the right good products definitely helps.
Absolutely, Sana. You again touch an important point, because when I realized that it's not about age, it's all about your internal care, what you take about, and that exactly that explicits what the effect explicits in the outside of your personality. Even I think 3-4 years back, when I used to play cricket, and I still play cricket, I used to feel I know I don't need any nutrition, I'm already super perfect, everything is awesome with me. But then when I realized it is very important for me to take care of my body, and that is when I see the magic. Because sometimes in city life we struggle a lot to really take care of ourselves. When it comes to bachelors, we don't take care of our food, we don't take care of our sleep, we don't take care of our stress, we don't take care of our pollution, we go in through it. So many challenges are there. But if we just take a small bit of steps, that as Sahana mentioned about nutrition and about external care with the right kind of products which suits your scalp. So these things are very important. And I'm sure I don't want to go complete exact full details, because it always varies with person to person. So I would definitely encourage for people who want to get a personalized solution for yourself or for any of your loved ones, at least get the reasons why it is happening. Reach out to us, reach out to Sahana, get the solutions, and help a lot of people. Because hair is something is important, and it makes you look comfortable, it makes you look very confident, and I'm sure it will also design your book look better, so that people can open your book and see what is inside. So any final thoughts, Sahana?
Just one thing that I want to add is, starting from our hair to our toe, every organ is made out of so many things. And if we concentrate on our internal health, of course, external is also important, like Kiran said. But if we do the majority part internally, then external is an easy go. And you definitely can have beautiful hair. And it's the right time, because you're at home, you don't expose yourself out to the sun much, and that doesn't damage your hair much. So stay home. Take care of your health. Of your hair completely, hair and skin and health completely. So once all this is over, you can walk out with style. So that's what I wanted to share, Kiran.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Sahana, for again taking out time and sharing experience. I hope our audience got some valuable insights. If any of you wants to know the detailed solution, anything about it, please reach out to us. Our main agenda, main goal to come and speak out is to remove that inhibitions, because most of us have that kind of inhibition, but we don't share, and we don't share in public. You don't have to be ashamed of anything. Just be yourself and grow yourself in every aspect of life. Thank you so much, and see you soon again. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.